Welcome to LCD TV Linda, which stands for Linda's Cats Dogs Travel Vlogs. In this travel vlog, I'd love to take you to Satzwey Castle, just outside the town of Mechenich in the North Eifel region of Germany. This castle is one of the most beautiful moated castles in the state of Rhineland-Pfalz. I was able to admire it both from the outside and during a tour of some of the castle's rooms on the inside. The castle is open daily for free visits, but if there is a festival planned, you'll have to pay a separate entrance fee. Guided tours of the castle and its rooms take place on Saturdays, Sundays and public holidays from 1 to 4 in the afternoon, every hour on the hour. There must be a minimum of 5 adults. You don't need to register in advance. At the time of my visit in July 2025, the price was €5 for adults, 3 for children aged 4 to 12 and children under 4 accompanied by an adult are free. The tour lasts about 40 minutes and I definitely thought it was worth it. These tours also take place every hour during events, but then from 12 till 5 in the afternoon. If you don't want to participate in one of these events, it is recommended to do so on weekends or public holidays when there are no events. Outside these times, a guided tour of the castle is available during the week for groups of 15 people or more, subject to availability and advance reservation at least 1 week in advance. A brief history of this old castle. For the full text, please visit the burgsatzwey.de website. The first documented mention dates back to 1396, but it is suspected that the foundations of this castle are even older. It has been family owned for over 300 years and remains the residence of the Counts of Beisel von Gümnich. Through the marriage of Adeline Countess Wolf Metternich zu Gracht to Franz Joseph Count Beisel von Gümnich in 1944, the castle came into the possession of the family of the current owner Franz Joseph Count Beisel von Gümnich Jr. Since 1981, he has made Satzwey famous beyond the country's borders through tournaments and other historical events, making this castle an example of a successful combination of monument preservation and the presentation of living history. Since early 2012, operational management has been transferred to Patricia Countess Beisel GmbH Concepts and Entertainment. Family-oriented events, varied programs and engaging presentations are the core of the company. The agency aims to convey history and tradition in an engaging and playful way, while simultaneously transporting them attractively into the modern era. From Easter to Christmas, various historical and themed festivals and concerts are organized. You can also celebrate your wedding here, have your wedding photography taken, or organize a corporate event, enjoy a medieval meal, or spend a wonderful night in a suite or one of the 5 double bedrooms. For horse lovers, there is a truly special experience. You can spend the night on the upper floor or in the manor house of Satzwey Castle, or you can camp outdoors in a Western-style setting. Your horse can stay in the stable or next to your tent in the paddock, where you can gaze at the stars together in good weather. At the Burg Bakery, you can enjoy a delicious meal or drink. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Perhaps it will inspire you to visit this beautiful castle, or you'll simply enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed for free yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button below. If you activate the bell, you'll automatically be notified when a new video is posted. You can leave your comments below the video, and of course, I hope to see you again in one of my other videos on this channel. The tours are usually given by Count Felix Beisel, and his dog Lucy is always present. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for free. See you next time. Greetings from Linda.